Okay, so in this episode, I'm going to be covering quickly about the painting tools here in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm on a brand new artboard here, and if we go down to the paintbrush that's over here, so if you press B, you could try to remember it as B for brush, and you can just draw this, and it creates a line with a stroke. That is what you drew on with your paint brush. So you can obviously change that. Let me just go to V. Let me just delete everything but this main one that I drew first. We can just change that. We can make that a gradient, or we can make that a solid color by just changing the color here. So next, the Blob Brush tool here is just it's pretty much the same thing, but it just creates an outlined version of what you are drawing. You can see everything has its own anchor points.